HiBuffet says you a warm welcome. Today I am sharing with you a fantastic recipe for black chickpeas. Take a pressure cooker. 1/2 kilogram black chickpeas, soaked overnight with baking soda 1/2 tablespoon. 2 big onions sliced. 2 large tomatoes. 1 whole garlic. 1 tablespoon salt. 2 liters water. Cover and tighten the cooker lid very carefully. Put this on high heat for high pressure between 4 to 5 minutes. It's about 5 minutes and our cooker is on high pressure. We will turn the flame on to medium for 30 minutes. Release the pressure naturally for 10 minutes. Uncover the cooker lid. Mix it well. Black chickpeas are soft. Remove its excess water for later use. 2 tablespoons ginger and green chili paste. 1/2 tablespoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon coriander powder. 1 cup whisked yogurt. 1/2 cup cooking oil. Mix it well. Water is dried. 1/2 tablespoon of cumin seeds. 1/2 tablespoon fenugreek leaves. Mix it well. Oil is separated. Add black chickpea stock to it. Mix it well. Cover it and let it cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Uncover it. Mix it well. 1 teaspoon ground masala. 2 tablespoons coriander leaves. Our black chickpeas korma is ready to serve. Serve it with chapati, boiled rice, mango pickle and salad. Guys, if you are enjoying this recipe, please like and share. Fellow and friends, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you get notifications of our new upcoming video recipes. Bye bye.